this guide, I'm going to show you how you can progress and level up your season pass here in Roblox Rivals. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it would help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, go ahead and open up the game and access the season pass section. If you just go into your shop, you can see the season pass just like so. This is going to show you everything that you need to know. Now, obviously, you are going to have to, for the most part, own the season pass. There's two different options for it. You have the premium, and then, of course, you also have this one as well. But to level up your season pass, you need to complete these missions. For example, you might need to win, 25 rounds in duels or play for, 20 minutes overall to level up. Just look up at the task. These are what you need to complete in order to do this. It's not really as similar as like other games where you need to just go ahead and just play the game consistently, even though in a way it kind of is. But really, as you level up, you're going to unlock rewards for the pass, and these can include things like, the permafrost, snow globe, camo, skins, emotes, whatever it might be. There's a lot on here. But the main goal is simple, just keep completing missions and playing consistently to earn points and progress through the pass. That's really all you need to do to level up your season pass and start unlocking rewards. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it would just help us out, let's know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.